Hi, my dear students. So today we're going to learn still about divisibility rules. So take note, divisibility is one whole number is divisible by another if after dividing the remainder is 0. So today we're going to learn about divisibility rules of 4, 8, 7, 11, and 12. So let's start. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits are zeros. So examples, 200, 1,500, 49,800, 874,100. Looking at the last two digits, it has zeros, my dear students. So we can say that these numbers are divisible by 4. Another one is if the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4. So 736, looking at the last two digits, which is 36, let's find out if 36 is divisible by 4. So you divide 36 divided by 4, the answer is 9. And 9 is a whole number. So we can say that this number is divisible by 4. Another number is 1224. So the last two digits is 24. Let's check if 24 is divisible by 4. By dividing 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6, and 6 is a whole number. So we can say that this number is divisible by 4. Another number is 12,244. So the last digit is 44. And let's find out if this digit is divisible by 4. So divide 44 divided by 4 is equal to 11. And 11 is a whole number. So we can say that 12,244 is divisible by 4. Last example is 18,226. So the last two digits is 26. So divide 26 divided by 4 is equal to 6 remainder 2. As you can see, the quotient has a remainder. So we can say that 8,226 is not divisible by 4. Okay, so let's have the activity. So thumbs up if the number is divisible by 4 and thumbs down if it's not. You are given 15 seconds to do the activity. So are you ready? So let's do this. Ready, set, and go. Number 1. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay, it's thumbs down. Number 2. Thumbs up or thumbs down? It's thumbs up. Number 3. Thumbs up or thumbs down? It is thumbs down. Number 4. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Is it divisible by 4? It's thumbs up. And the last number, number 5. Thumbs up or thumbs down? It's thumbs up. Okay, now let's move on, my dear students, to the next divisibility rule. So a number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits are zeros. So let's look at the examples. 4,000, 28,000, 356,000. Looking at the numbers, the last three digits are 0. So we can say that this number are divisible by 8. Another one is if the number formed by the last three digits is divisible by 8. So 2,144. Now, let's look at the last three digits. Let's find out if 144 is divisible by 8 by dividing 144 divided by 8 is equal to 18. And 18 is a whole number. So we can say that 2,144 is divisible by 8. Another example is 24,218. So the last three digits is 218. So let's find out if this number is divisible by 8 by dividing. So 218 divided by 8 is equal to 27 remainder 2. So as you can see, the quotient has a remainder. So this number is not divisible by 8. Another example is 700,208. So 208 is the last digit of this number. Let's find out if this number is divisible by 8 by dividing. So 208 divided by 8 is equal to 26. And 26 is a whole number. So we can say that this number is divisible by 8. Now, let's have the activity. So deal if the number is divisible by 8 and no deal if it's not. You are given 15 seconds to answer the activity. Are you ready? Let's gonna do our best. Ready, set, and go. Deal or no deal? Divisibility or rule of number 8. The answer is no deal. Number 2. It is deal. Number 3. It's no deal. Number 4. It's deal. And number 5. Deal or no deal? It's a deal. So, my dear students, take note that a number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits are zeros, or if the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits are zeros, or if the number formed by the last three digits is divisible by 8. Now let's move on. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference is 7 when it is subtracted twice the last digit from the rest of the numbers. So to test if 252 is divisible by 7, step number 1, double the last digit. What is the last digit of this number? It is 2. So double means to say 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Next step is subtract the product from the remaining digits. So what is the remaining digit? It is 25. Subtract it to the product, which is 4, is equal to 21. And let's find out if 21 is divisible by 7 by dividing it. So 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. And that's why we can say that 21 is divisible by 7. Therefore, 252 is divisible by 7. Okay, let's have the activity. Yes, if the given number is divisible by 7. No, if it's not divisible by 7. 15 seconds to do the activity. Ready? You can do it. Ready, set, and go. Number 1. Is it divisible by 7? Yes or no? It is no. Okay, number 2. Is it divisible by 7? Yes or no? It is yes. Number 3. Is it divisible by 7? It is yes. Number 4, is it divisible by 7? It is no. Okay, so let's move on, my dear students. A number is divisible by 12 if the number is divisible both by 3 and 4. Take note that the divisibility rule of number 3 is the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. And if it's divisible by 4, if the last two digit is divisible by 4. So example, 1020. So let's check if it's divisible by 3 by getting the sum of the digits. So 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 3. And let's check if 3 is divisible by 3. Okay, so it is divisible by 3. Next one is, let's check if this number is divisible by 4. So let's look at the last two digits. It's 20. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. So we can say that this number is divisible by 4. So 1020 is divisible by 12. Another example, 32,372. So let's check if it's divisible by 3 by getting the sum of the digits. So 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 2 is equal to 18. Let's check if 18 is divisible by 3. So 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. So we can say that this number is divisible by 3. Next one, let's check if the number is divisible by 4. So let's look at the last two digits, which is 72. So let's check if this 72 is divisible by 4 by dividing. 72 divided by 4 is equal to 13. And 13 is a whole number. So we can say that this number is divisible by 4. So the number 32,372 is divisible by 12. Now, let's have the next activity. Check if the given number is divisible by 12 and x if it's not divisible by 12. You are given 15 seconds to finish the activity. So ready? Have fun! Ready, set, and go! Number 1. Is this divisible by 12? Check or X. It's check. Next, number 2. Is this divisible by 12? It's not. Okay, number 3. Is this divisible by 12? It is yes. Number 4. Is this divisible by 12? It is not. Next, let's have the divisibility rule of number 11. If the difference between the sum of the alternate digits is 0 or a multiple of 11. So, is 3,465 divisible by 11? So, let's find out. So, let's get, the sum of the alternate digits, which is 3 plus 6, which is 9. And then we're going to get also the sum of another alternate digit, which is 4 plus 5. It is 9. After that, we need to get the difference between the sum. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Since the difference is 0, then 3,465 is divisible by 11. Another example, is 13,574 divisible by 11? Now, let's get the sum of the alternate digits. So 1 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 10. Another one is 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Now, let's get the difference. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. So, since the difference is 0, then 13,574 is divisible by 11. Now, let's have the activity. Thumbs up if the number is divisible by 11 and thumbs down if it's not. You are given 15 seconds to finish the activity. Ready? Do it! Ready, set, and go! Thumbs up or thumbs down. Is this number divisible by 11? It's thumbs up. Number 2. Is 2,145 divisible by 11? It is thumbs up. And the third one, is this divisible by 11? It's thumbs down. Okay, my dear students, that was fun. Let's do it again sometime. So thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. See you tomorrow, my dear students.